Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No! It's Super Slime! Super Slime is back, and he diligently watches over everything. What is that? It's Fluffy calling for help? Hooray! I hurt too much. No time to lie around! Heroic deeds await me. Right, friends?
Oh! Sammy! I'm sorry. Are you playing superhero again?
Playing? No, I live and breathe it.
Oh, sorry. I was looking for you to share some great news.
Yeah? What news?
I just got a message that I want a ticket to Comic-Con.
Oh, Comic-Con! Awesome! I already have a costume. I don't even need to get ready. Wait, did you say a ticket, not tickets?
Oh, I can hardly believe it. I will finally get there. Oh, I need to figure out what I need to wear.
Oh, I hope that's a mistake. She obviously meant multiple tickets, not just one. Oh, because it's just...
It's horrible.
That's what I'm saying. What?
Can you imagine? Fluffy chewed my sneakers. The one with Captain America, remember?
Yeah? How could that
What
happen?
am I supposed to wear now? Comic-Con is tomorrow. The rest of my shoes are so ordinary. Take these, for example.
Oh, Susie, don't worry. I've seen a cool craft recently. Follow me! Hi, guys. Today, I'll show Susie how to turn ordinary, boring shoes into shoes fit for Comic-Con itself.
What should I do?
Well, first, make copies of your favorite comic book pages.
All right.
Cool!
Here, Sammy. Will this be enough?
Ugh, what took you so long? I'm tired of waiting.
Well, I couldn't choose which pages to take. So, is it enough?
I'm not sure. Maybe yes, maybe no.
What do you mean?
Well, there should be more variety to create this wow effect.
Oh, I really want a wow effect. What should we do?
Follow me! Right. Susie, will you give me a heroic lift?
Sure thing. Well, what's in there?
Here, take all of these and let's head back.
Listen, Sammy. I didn't even know we had superhero napkins.
This is my, personal stash, but I'm ready to make the sacrifice.
Thanks.
Maybe you should have some superhero stash as well.
Oh, right. I bought something for crafting. I'll be right back.
My precious napkins. What sacrifices we make to cover the gravity of a mistake.
What mistake, Sam?
No mistake. What have you brought?
Here, look. It's special paper for decoupage, to glue it onto objects.
I approve! Now it's time to work on your boring shoes. First, cut out the characters!
Yes, sir.
Sue, did you know that the very first official Comic-Con was organized by a teenager?
Really?
Yes! It was way back in 1964 in New York. There were only 100 people there, but it's a historical beginning. Guys, have you ever been to Comic-Con? Share your memories in the comments. I must try one interesting thing. How was it? Sue made it seem so easy. Guys, do you remember that video when Sue made a super spy napkin for me? It was so cool. But I forgot how to do it. What should I do now?
Sammy, the pictures are ready. Sammy? Hey, where are you? Sam, are you sleeping?
Sleeping? Nobody's sleeping. Superheroes don't sleep on duty.
Fine. I just wanted to tell you that I'm done with the pictures.
Then let's go. Before we go on, you must answer a very important question.
Yes? What question?
How many tickets did you win?
One? Why?
Then you won't be taking me?
Well, what can I do, Sammy?
Fine. Take the pictures and glue them onto your shoes. Here's the glue.
Thank you. Oh, Sammy, isn't this jam?
Oh, I didn't notice. Like you didn't notice that there was only one ticket as a prize.
I probably should take this glue.
I should have left the wardrobe open too.
Sam, what are you talking about?
Nothing.
Don't tell me you didn't close the shoe cabinet. Oh, now I understand how Fluffy got to my sneakers. Well, what can I do? I'll continue decorating my shoes.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Here. Don't forget this one.
All right, give it here. I'll glue it on. And done! Ah, they look so pretty.
And who is to thank?
You, of course. And your superhero friends, too. Guys, do you like this idea for superhero shoes? Give a thumbs up if you do. You probably also have your favorite comics. Try making this craft and attach links to your photos or videos in the comments. I'll go try the shoes on. Oh, Sam! Guys, could you please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button? Maybe then Sam won't be upset with me that I'm not taking him. Sam!
Oh, hurry! Quick!
Sam! Give me my shoe back! I need to get ready!
Fine. Go by yourself.
Yes! He looks so awesome!
While Fluffy and I have some fun in your shoe cabinet. You've been waiting, and now, finally, it's time to announce the giveaway winner!
In one of our videos a week ago, we asked you to do several things to enter the giveaway.
Yes, you needed to 1. Give that video a thumbs up, 2. Leave a comment, and 3. Subscribe to the channel.
The winner was selected at random.
Oh, I can't take it anymore, Sue! Let's show them who won!
All right. The winner is Yanni Malari!
Congratulations! Thank you for your responsiveness and loyalty to our channel.
We'll contact the winner for details about getting the prize.
And the prize is very special. Sue, show it quick!
Here!
He's as good looking as me, but I'm better.
No arguing there.
Guys, thank you so much for taking part. Keep watching and participate! We have more prizes coming.
Bye-bye! Hey guys, listen up. Please tell your friends about our channel. Sam is trying very hard to make you like him, and he wants his channel to become super popular. The more subscribers we have, the more videos we'll be able to make for you. With such a super team of subscribers, we'll be able to do anything.